the drawings. Hello little friends, Ava here. Are we going on a space trip with me today? Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go! Let's start the outline of the body of our space rocket by its sharp tip right on top. The tip of the rocket is called a cone or nose. We continue the line, drawing the entire side of his body to the base. The rocket is one of the most fascinating vehicles mankind has ever created. Rockets are incredible machines that allow us to explore space. Very well. Now, we've bypassed your base where your engines are. We draw the line until we find its beginning at the tip of the cone of our rocket. Rockets are able to overcome Earth's gravity and enter Earth's orbit or beyond. They are used to launch satellites, send space probes, and even take astronauts on space missions. That's it. Very good. Now, let's draw all the details of our space rocket. We will draw the cone fuselage finishes and the details of the window protectors. That's it. Very good. We draw the lines from the window of our rocket. Very good. Our rocket is already beginning to appear. Now, let's draw the three outer fins, also called wings. The wings help stabilize the space rocket during its flight into space. Rockets operate on the principle of propulsion. They burn powerful fuels, such as liquid or solid propellant, to create a huge amount of gases at high speed. These gases are expelled by the rocket's engines, pushing it up and out of the Earth's atmosphere. That was perfect. The rockets are amazing structures. To finish our drawing, we will draw the thrusters that are under our rocket. The thrusters are powerful engines that burn the gases and propel the rocket into space. Very well. Our rocket is getting very good. Wow. We have finished all the outline of our space rocket design. It was beautiful. If you are enjoying our design so far, subscribe to the channel. Every week we have new designs here. Yes, very well. Now let's paint. I have already separated the 6 colors that we will use to paint our beautiful rocket. To begin our painting, we will use the gray color to paint the entire body of our spaceship. We continue painting step by step, very slowly. Pay attention to the curves to your painting is perfect. Rockets are also known for the beauty recorded in their space launch. During the night, the brightness and intensity of the flames of the engines create an impressive visual spectacle in the sky. That's it. Very good. Now we will use the dark blue color to paint the details of our rocket body. We painted the bodyguards of the ship. We also painted the inner parts of the wings. Very well. Our rocket is getting perfect. We use the color red to paint other details of our spaceship. We paint the nose of our rocket. We also paint the finish of all the wings and the tips of the thrusters. Pay attention to the curves to your painting is perfect. Yes, very good. To finish our painting, we will use the yellow color to paint the flames on your tail. Very well. We use the blue color to paint the window of our rocket. Very good. Finally, we use the color orange to paint another detail of the flames in the tail of our rocket. That's great. Our spaceship rocket was sensational. Wow. Our rocket drawing is complete. Friends, the drawing of our space rocket was wonderful. Drawing and painting with me was a fun way to learn about rockets. Congratulations! The drawing was amazing. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now you can leave a like in this video, and subscribe so you do not miss any new drawing. Every week we bring new drawings here. A Super Ava kiss and see you soon.